E-Class, the language for e-business. This is Tim. He is a product manager at an industrial company and a real data specialist. His primary focus is on technical distribution for articulated robots. More frequently, his clients are asking for standardized data for their e-business processes. Standardized data for a product as extensive and complex as an articulated robot? Tim is at a loss and turns to his colleague Peter from the construction department for help. Peter tells him that he uses E-Class to handle similar requests in his engineering work. Tim is already familiar with E-Class from the purchasing department. But Peter explains that E-Class is much more than just a procurement standard. The advanced model allows users to describe even very complex products in a standardized manner. Tim knows that products and services can be classified and have properties assigned to them using E-Class. With the advanced structure, he can also describe complex functionalities and structural elements. But how exactly does it work? Tim can easily record the robot's simple properties such as its dimensions and weight. He describes the number of tool attachments using the cardinality function, while he uses the polymorphism function to define the type of attachment. After all, the properties of a gripper are clearly different from those of a drill. For example, for the gripper, Tim describes the pressing power, and for the drill, he specifies the rotational speed. Tim can supplement this technical product description with commercial and logistic properties too. He can use this to create an electronic product catalog in BME CAT XML format, for example, and send this to his clients. Standardized interfaces can then be used to further process this data in other software applications. Tim wonders what would happen if, for example, his clients only wanted to use E-Class basic data. It's not a problem. This information is also included in the advanced structure. Tim is very impressed. The advanced E-Class model means that exchanging product data with clients and suppliers is significantly easier. Now he can pass on the robot's data across all industries and internationally in different languages. Thanks to regular updates, the information always stays up to date. Furthermore, other global standards such as ISO, IEC, and ADEM are all compatible with the data, and it can also be converted to other formats without difficulty. But best of all, E-Class data is machine-readable. This means that the one-to-one identifiers enable communication between machines in the Internet of Things and Services, and this is the way of the future. Join the E-Class community and become a first mover in the world of Industry 4.0. E-Class.